What is a QDRO and its impact on 401 degrees Kelvin protection? Have you ever wondered how divorce or legal separation affects your retirement savings? One important factor to consider is the Qualified Domestic Relations Order, commonly known as QDRO. This legal order plays a significant role in dividing retirement assets during such proceedings. A Qualified Domestic Relations Order is issued by a state domestic relations court. It recognizes the right of an alternate payee, which can be a spouse, former spouse, child, or dependent, to receive a portion of the participant's retirement plan benefits. This includes assets held in a 401(k) plan. The QDRO divides these retirement assets based on the court's terms, reflecting marital property rights or support obligations. It is essential to note that a QDRO applies only to retirement plans covered by the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. This includes most private sector 401(k) plans but does not extend to individual retirement accounts or certain government retirement plans. For a QDRO to be valid, it must include specific information. This includes the names and addresses of both the plan participant and the alternate payee, the retirement plan it pertains to, the portion or amount of benefits to be paid, and the time period or number of payments involved. The order cannot requiring the plan to provide benefits or payment options that are not already available under the plan's terms. Now let's discuss the impact of a QDRO on 401(k) protection. Generally, 401(k) assets are protected from creditors and are intended to provide retirement income for the plan participant. However, a QDRO overrides this protection. It legally mandates that a portion of the 401(k) assets be paid to the alternate payee. This means that even though these assets are usually shielded from claims, a QDRO enforces the division of those assets as part of a marital property settlement or support obligations. From a retirement perspective, this means that if you are a participant in a 401(k) plan, your retirement savings may be subject to division in a divorce or legal separation through a QDRO. The alternate payee receives their share directly from the plan. This often happens without triggering taxes or penalties that would normally apply to early withdrawals, as long as the QDRO is properly qualified and administered. When a QDRO is issued, the 401(k) plan administrator reviews the order to ensure it meets legal and plan requirements. Once approved, the plan pays the designated portion to the alternate payee. This can be done either as a lump sum or as a separate account within the plan, depending on the terms of the QDRO and the plan's rules. In essence, a Qualified Domestic Relations Order is a court-approved order that allows for the legal division of 401(k) retirement assets to an alternate payee. It overrides the usual protections of the retirement plan. Understanding how a QDRO functions is vital for anyone involved in retirement estate planning and asset protection, especially in the context of family law.